Here is your regular skimmer basket, and my number one tip for having a clean pool is to buy yourself some skimmer socks. Wrap it around your skimmer basket. This is optional, but you can take a large rock and put it inside just to weigh down the sock. Place it in your skimmer. All right, now you will see how much these skimmer socks collect. All right, look at that. Gets the leaves, gets disgusting dead spiders, grass, and you can even see how it gets the little pieces of dirt too. Easy enough to remove it. And take the rock out and just toss it.